Welcome to Health Renewed, your trusted source for healthy aging and practical wellness tips. If you are over 55 and suffer from leg cramps, especially during the night, you know how painful and disruptive they can be. These sudden, intense muscle contractions can wake you up, disturb your sleep, and leave your legs sore the next day. They may seem harmless at first, but over time, they can interfere with your ability to stay active and independent. Today's video will focus on 3 powerful natural foods that help prevent leg cramps and support stronger muscles. These foods are easy to add to your daily meals and can make a real difference in your comfort and quality of life. At Health Renewed, we believe that small, consistent changes in your diet and lifestyle can lead to big improvements in your health. Let's explore simple, effective nutrition tips backed by science to help you feel healthier and more energetic every day. 1. Why do leg cramps happen in seniors? Leg cramps in seniors are common and often linked to several underlying causes. As we age, muscle tissue naturally loses elasticity and strength. This makes muscles more susceptible to spasms and cramps. Additionally, older adults often have imbalanced levels of important minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all of which are essential for proper muscle function. Deficiencies in these minerals can cause muscles to contract involuntarily, leading to painful cramps, especially during rest or sleep. Dehydration is another major factor contributing to cramps, as a lack of fluids disrupts electrolyte balance. Medications or chronic conditions such as diabetes, kidney disease, or circulatory issues can also play a role in causing these cramps. Beyond biological factors, lifestyle habits also contribute to the frequency of leg cramps. For example, a sedentary lifestyle can lead to decreased blood circulation and muscle weakness. If you spend long periods sitting or lying down without movement, your muscles may not get enough oxygen and nutrients to function optimally. Likewise, overexertion or improper stretching before or after physical activity can place strain on muscles, triggering cramps. Even certain sleeping positions may restrict blood flow and contribute to nighttime cramps. Hormonal changes and nerve dysfunction are also potential contributors. As people age, the nervous system's ability to communicate effectively with muscles may decline. This reduced nerve-muscle coordination can lead to spontaneous muscle contractions and cramps. Understanding these causes is the first step toward prevention. By addressing mineral deficiencies and improving hydration, incorporating light exercise and proper posture, and being aware of medications or health conditions that could exacerbate cramps, we can reduce the frequency and intensity of cramps and maintain more active, comfortable lives. 2. Top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps. Let's now dive into the top 3 foods you can incorporate into your daily routine to help prevent leg cramps and promote muscle strength. 1. Eggs, the muscle repair. Powerhouse eggs are often referred to as a nutritional powerhouse for a good reason. They are rich in high-quality protein, which is critical for muscle repair and growth. Each egg provides essential amino acids that your body needs to maintain and rebuild muscle tissue. But that's not all. Eggs also contain important vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, B vitamins, and selenium. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption and bone health, while selenium supports cellular repair and reduces inflammation. Together, these nutrients play a key role in improving muscular health and preventing cramps. You can easily include eggs in your breakfast, as a boiled snack, or even in salads. Aim for 1 or 2 eggs per day and consider combining them with fiber-rich vegetables like spinach or kale to enhance the nutritional value. 2. Bananas, nature's potassium. Source bananas are one of the most popular and effective foods for preventing muscle cramps. They are especially beneficial because of their high potassium content. Potassium is a key electrolyte that helps regulate muscle contractions and nerve signals. A potassium deficiency is a known cause of muscle cramping, and bananas provide a quick, natural remedy. In addition to potassium, bananas also contain magnesium, vitamin B6, and carbohydrates, all of which are important for energy and muscle recovery. Eating a banana before or after physical activity can help prevent cramps and promote quicker recovery. They make a great snack any time of day, and you can blend them into smoothies, slice them over whole grain cereal, or pair them with a tablespoon of almond butter for a balanced mini-meal. 3. Nuts and seeds, magnesium and calcium. Boosters nuts and seeds such as almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of magnesium and calcium, two minerals vital for muscle health. Magnesium helps muscles relax after contraction and reduces muscle tension, while calcium supports muscle contractions and proper nerve communication. Including just a small handful of these nutrient-dense foods each day can significantly help regulate your muscle function and prevent cramps. Pumpkin seeds, for instance, contain around 40% of the recommended daily intake of magnesium in just 1 ounce. Almonds also provide a healthy dose of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect muscle tissue from damage. You can sprinkle seeds on your salads, add them to yogurt, or eat them as a snack. Choose unsalted and raw or lightly roasted varieties to avoid unnecessary sodium and added fats. 3. Bonus foods and hydration strategies. While the top 3 foods are powerful on their own, incorporating additional nutrient-rich foods and hydration practices can further support your efforts in preventing leg cramps. Dark leafy greens. Spinach, Swiss chard, and kale are rich in magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These greens also offer antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support overall muscular and cardiovascular health. Consider sautéing them in olive oil with garlic, blending them into smoothies, or adding them to soups and stews. Avocados. Avocados are an excellent source of potassium, magnesium, and healthy fats. Their creamy texture makes them a great addition to toast, salads, or even smoothies. They help promote cellular hydration and muscle function. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a complex carbohydrate rich in potassium and magnesium. Their slow-digesting carbs also help stabilize blood sugar and energy levels, reducing fatigue-related cramps. Roast them, mash them, or slice them into healthy fries. Coconut water. Hydration is key to preventing cramps, and coconut water offers a natural source of electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium. It's a great post-exercise drink or a hydrating option on hot days. Herbal teas, chamomile, and ginger teas not only help relax the body, but also reduce inflammation. They can promote better sleep quality, reducing the likelihood of nighttime leg cramps. Apple cider vinegar. Some people find relief from cramps by taking a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in water. It helps balance pH levels and provides trace minerals that support muscle function. 4. Exercise and stretching routines. Proper movement and stretching can play a big role in reducing the frequency of cramps and improving muscle strength. Here are some targeted practices to consider. Pre-sleep stretching. Stretching your calves, hamstrings, and quadriceps before bedtime helps prevent nighttime cramps. Simple exercises like standing calf stretches, seated toe touches, and gentle yoga poses can improve circulation and flexibility. Morning movement. Start your day with light walking or dynamic stretches to warm up your muscles and improve blood flow. Morning routines that include shoulder rolls, leg swings, and torso twists wake up your nervous system and muscles. Strength training. Incorporating light resistance exercises with bands or small weights can help maintain muscle tone and reduce weakness. Focus on legs and core muscles that are often affected by aging and cramps. Footwear and posture. Wearing supportive shoes and maintaining proper posture while standing or sitting helps distribute weight evenly and reduce muscle tension. Avoid tight shoes or those lacking arch support. Massage and foam rolling. Gentle massage and foam rolling can help break up muscle knots and promote lymphatic flow. Regular self-massage or using a foam roller before and after exercise can keep muscles relaxed and pliable. Lifestyle tips for long-term relief. To sustain muscle health and prevent leg cramps long-term, consider integrating these daily habits. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Don't wait until you feel thirsty. Sip water regularly. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water or more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint for natural flavor. Monitor medications. Some medications, like diuretics or statins, can lead to mineral imbalances. Speak with your doctor if you suspect a medication may be contributing to your cramps. Mind your sleep environment. Keep your room cool, use supportive pillows, and maintain a sleep schedule. Sleep disruptions contribute to fatigue and may worsen muscle tension. Eat consistently. Spacing meals and snacks evenly throughout the day helps prevent blood sugar dips, which can trigger muscle weakness or spasms. Use Epsom salt baths. Soaking in a warm bath with Epsom salts relaxes muscles and delivers magnesium through the skin. Practice stress reduction. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which can impair nutrient absorption and cause muscle tension. Try meditation, breathing exercises, or time in nature to manage stress. Outro, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with family or friends who might benefit from it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about healthy aging, senior nutrition, and wellness tips. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos on healthy eating and lifestyle habits, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Remember, renewed health begins with renewed knowledge. See you in the next video.